baby. Now you know I'm fucking right. Couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it out the block. Been working my